OCBC uses AI daily to make millions of decisions, from personalized product recommendations to scam detection. But with the emergence of ChatGPT in 2022, it showed us that AI was now able to take on higher-level creative and cognitive tasks with unparalleled performance. We take a hybrid strategy for generative AI in OCBC, combining public models like GPT-4 with extensive use of open-source large language models for our most sensitive use cases that need to be done on-premise. OCBC has been using large language models since 2019, when the first generation of transformer-based LLMs emerged. AI could better understand the context and the meaning of text, and that opened many opportunities for us. For example, today we still use first-generation LLMs to analyze financial news, make stock recommendations, or even predict if a company's credit rating will be downgraded ahead of time. So OCBC definitely had a head start working with open-source LLMs. However, we see the next generation of LLMs being much more powerful and unlocking lots of new potential use cases. As a modern, digitally led organization, we have many software developers in the bank. OCBC Wingman is our in-house coding assistant that offers code completion, debugging, and refactoring capabilities for our IT team and data scientists. We even use it to automatically generate documentation by giving Wingman the code. And the best part is, since all of our LLMs are hosted internally, we don't have any problems with releasing sensitive OCBC data outside the firewall. We did a group-wide rollout in 2023, and Wingman was able to reduce a developer's effort by 20 to 30%. So it really helps to speed up the time to market for our digital products. We use generative AI to solve an age-old problem in any large organization, and that is, how do you make it easy for employees to find documents that are stored in silos, between divisions, and even between countries? We developed OCBC Buddy, a generative AI-enabled co-pilot designed to help our employees find knowledge across the OCBC intranet. Instead of having to search across hundreds of thousands of pages on the internet, employees can now ask Buddy's questions using plain English. Buddy finds the most relevant document and then uses generative AI to give users a nicely summarized answer from the document. This is a really powerful combination, as it combines the search and summarization abilities of an LLM with a Google-like interface for the users. OCBC receives thousands of customer calls daily, all of which are recorded for compliance and quality assurance purposes. Interpreting these recordings is time-consuming. OCBC Whisper is our generative AI solution which converts audio calls to text and later performs information extraction or sentiment analysis on those calls. We can quickly extract key decisions and action items from each call, giving our agents a complete but also a summarized view of what needs to be done. This capability also lets us be more thorough in the way that we carry out sales surveillance and quality assurance. And ultimately, all of these translate to faster turnaround times and a better quality of experience for our customers. As with any emerging technology, we also need to understand and communicate its risks. And we all know that generative AI can sometimes make things up and yet sound convincing, a problem that we know as AI hallucination. This is something that our data scientists put a lot of effort into detecting and mitigating. In OCBC, we have a generative AI application called Document AI. And Document AI is designed to extract information from lengthy corporate reports required during customer onboarding. This really helps our relationship managers save time. But how do we ensure that the answers they receive are accurate? We have designed ways of automatically detecting if the information did not originate from the report. But more importantly, we also educate our users on the need for human verification of the output before they use it. The next step for OCBC is to make generative AI accessible for all employees and educate them on how to use it responsibly. To do this, we have implemented OCBC GPT, which is a ChatGPT-like interface that sits within Microsoft Teams. This empowers every employee with generative AI in OCBC so they can enhance their productivity. But we also actively upskill our colleagues to make them power users of generative AI, covering topics on prompt engineering and teaching our frontliners how to generate high-quality drafts quicker when responding to customer emails. Generative AI has opened many opportunities, and I envision an exciting future ahead for the financial services industry. We just need to keep pushing the limits of our imagination.